All right, so I'm gonna take some time to draw a really crude, somewhat, not like crude like it's rude, but like very basic picture of the knee to help kind of organize where the ligaments are and some of the other connective tissue structures. So we're gonna start by drawing the bones involved with the knee. And like I said, it's gonna be very basic. So we're gonna do a rectangle for our femur. Then we have our tibia. And then we'll have our fibula. Now, to hold the knee together, you're going to bracket it off to the side. When you do that bracket, we're going to use dense regular connective tissue on each side. So we're going to kind of do this move right here. So it looks like parentheses holding the articular capsule together. So these ones are going to be what we call intrinsic capsules because they're actually going to merge, or intrinsic ligaments because they're going to merge with the capsule itself. But they're going to get named specifically for what you're attaching. So when you're looking at these ones, I think of them as areas that are preventing collateral damage. They're lateral, they're on the side. So these are going to be our collateral ligaments. With the collateral ligaments, you have a fibular collateral ligament. But also, if you remember, the fibula is on the outside. So a lot of times you'll see it written as the lateral collateral ligament, or LCL. Then there's this one, which would be the tibial collateral ligament. And since that's on the inside, that would also be known as our medial collateral ligament, or MCL. Now, as you go through the name, a lot of times we'll hear these abbreviations out in the field, but I actually think it's a little bit easier just to name the bone that you're attaching to. So that's what's going to bracket us on the outside. Now, on the inside, you're going to have ligaments that make an X. You'll have one that'll cross through this way, and you'll be able to see it on the front. Oh, that's squeaky. And if you're crossing, that's going to be cruciate. Cruciate means cross. And so you have one in the front, and then you'll have one in the back. And anatomy being really nice and actually coordinating names tells you exactly where they're at. So the anterior cruciate, the anterior cross, is going to be our ACL. And then the one that crosses in the back is going to be our PCL. Now, another structure on the inside made out of different materials. So these are also still dense, regular connective tissue. We will have a cushion to support pressure coming down from that femur, serves as a shock absorber. And that's going to be our fibrocartilage connective tissue structure. We're going to cross over that. So that right there, that's our meniscus. And so you'll have a lateral meniscus and a medial meniscus. All right, so let's figure out how I can relabel these things where we can actually see them. So here's our ACL again. And then our PCL there. And then our menisci. And then we have lateral and medial. I don't know if you can see that. Medial, lateral. All right, so that's going to get you the supporting structures for the knee.